I've been working on my jams for about 13 and a half years, and I wrote my book 3 years ago after working on it for about 10 years. So, and the company Blue Chair Fruit is about 3.5 years old now. When I started selling my jams, I was actually managing a cafe, and I was making them at home, and I was just kind of selling them out of the cafe. But it was great because I got to ease into it gradually. When I first started, it was just me, and now I have 4 full-time staff. Selling at farmers markets has been a really key way of connecting with our public. Initially, I was in one market. Then we were up to about 5 markets at the peak, and now we're just doing the sort of busiest, most profitable, most fun ones. The last 24 months have seen a huge change in our business. I would say even in the past 6 months, our production has gone way up because we started selling to Williams-Sonoma. And Williams-Sonoma is a huge national chain that carries only the highest end food products, but they have 300 locations, and we are in over half their locations. We are going to be making about 30,000 jars, give or take, a year for them. And we've already started, so actually these tomatoes are for them. So it's just been an astronomical change in our business. I have meetings about once a week with the bookkeeping employee. Her name is Jamie. And it's basically to discuss kind of where we are. It's mainly cash flow wise, because she's also the one who pays our bills, and we kind of figure out together what should get paid when and things like that.
My job at Blue Chair Fruit is to do everything that happens outside of the kitchen so that Rachel can spend as much time as possible in the kitchen. Once a week, Rachel and I get together to go over the accounts, and we use that opportunity to pull up any reports that we may need. We want to stay on top of money that we owe and money that we can expect to come in. From time to time, Rachel has a special request, a particular report or data that she wants to see. Usually whether or not a particular sales outlet is doing well or if it needs more resources, and Xero allows us to use the numbers we've inputted to work for us and to see the big picture. Shopify provides a really clean interface for both our shoppers and for us as administrators of our online store. With Shopify, we're able to track our inventory. We make over 50 jam flavors a year, and there's no way we could store that information in our heads. So with Shopify, we have really precise and accurate inventory levels. We log in, we see our orders for the day, and within that same system, we're able to fulfill them, package them, print a shipping label.
I mean, every detail is something we built from scratch, from the branding to the website to, I mean, my cookbook. Everything is just like, had to start from zero. So, no pun intended. I have to be honest, I feel with Xero, we've only scratched the surface of what we can do, but already it's helped us dramatically, just in terms of having a complete picture. So at any given time, I can look and see exactly what's happening in our business. And it's just been so great to have a foundation that's where everything's in one place, and it's very organized and easy to use, which is great.